to an episode of Easy Baking on my channel KJML. In today's video, we'll be baking some French bread. This recipe is simple and easy with the Cuisinart bread maker. The type of recipe that we'll be making is the medium French bread loaf using the ultra-fast program on the Cuisinart bread maker. Now, this will take 2 hours and 3 minutes rather than 4 hours and 15 minutes. The ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe are 1 1/4 cup room temperature water, 1 1/2 teaspoons of kosher salt, or you could use table salt if you want. 3 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, and then finally 2 1/2 teaspoons of dry active yeast. Now, moving on to the assembling, we're going to have to open this up, and we're going to just quickly slide this open and pull this out. Now we need to put the ingredients in order specifically. So we're going to start off with our water, room temperature water, or kosher salt or table salt if you want, or flour, all-purpose flour, and then finally our dry active yeast. And now to put this back into the Cuisinart bread maker. There we go. It's all locked in. Okay, now to start this, you will have to press the start button, then the program button. You're going to press it multiple times until it's set to number 4, ultra fast mode, and then you're going to press start again to start the kneading. And yes, you're able to open this up if you want to get a better look. And you can see it kneading slowly and slowly. Now you can see after a few seconds, it's already starting to turn into dough a bit. So imagine how quick you'll be afterwards. Okay, so now our loaf is done baking, and we're going to put a glove on for safety. I'm going to open this up and pull out our loaf. I'm going to put on another glove. Just kind of shake it. There's our loaf. Okay, so if you don't want the paddle inside of your loaf, then that's okay. The bread maker will beep when it's done doing its last knead, so you can pull out the dough and then take out the paddle and place the dough back in so it can finally bake. But we have the paddle thing in here right now. And don't worry, once the bread's done cooling off, you can always just pull it out when you're cutting it, and then voila, it's all good. We're going to wait about 20 minutes to half an hour for this to cool down to pull out the paddle, and then we're going to try a piece of it. Now for the taste testing. Perfect. It's nice and soft on the inside. See?